It's slippery outside still. So welcome back to another video. This is day 6, I believe. And yeah, it's just a gloomy day. It rained a couple hours ago, so the streets are still a little bit slick. Just gonna be doing some driving around, seeing if we can get some okay slides in the LC 500. I was not expecting it to slide that much just now. So now we got that in mind. I'm gonna keep that in mind while I'm driving around. Oh, we got a little Supra coming up to the left of us. But yeah, this weekend we're gonna be doing something cool. We're gonna be getting MK5 Supra. We got 4 LC 500s getting together, 2 go to Cars and Coffee, so I'm gonna record that. It's gonna be so much fun. You know, out in San Diego, we don't usually get that many LC 500s together. I think 3 is the most we've had. So now that we can get 4 people together, it's gonna be a great time, and they're all different colors as well. So that's gonna be pretty cool to see. So that won't be part of this 7-day straight video idea I have, but it will be posted this week, so stay tuned for that. We'll see if we can get a little slidey U-turn over here. Leave a little room in front of the car ahead of us. Give it a little boost and go. When the floors are slick like this, really takes nothing to break the traction in the rear, but it is, I will say, very easy to predict which way and feel which way that the car is fishtailing. So if you ever find yourself in that situation, I think you'll be able to pretty much catch yourself in counter steer before the car completely slips out ahead of you. But that's also a thing of, you know, making sure that you know your car. Like for this car, I've done a lot of half-mile racings, and usually when you start from a dead stop, the rear wants to turn to the right immediately. It's never the left side. Most of the times it's just the right side. Obviously don't trust that 100% because it can decide to go to the left side, but you know, just kind of have that awareness to you when you start doing slidey stuff like that. like this video is gonna be another good alternative to the night drive I did, because you know the GoPro, it kind of struggles quality wise with nighttime, but since it is still like a slight bit of light outside, I'm hoping that the quality is a little better on this video as well. Alright guys, that's the end for this video. I'll catch you in day 7, and then after that the nice cruise up with 3 other LC 500s. Catch you next time. Peace.